we are diving into the exciting world of app development using App Lab from code.org. So, what exactly is App Lab? Well, it's a fantastic programming environment where you can create simple apps right in your browser. Yeah, you don't need to install anything, just fire up your favorite web browser and you are good to go. This is code.org as we discussed in our previous video. Let's start by creating a new project. So for that, first click on new project and you will see some projects. Now we have to create App Lab. You can see the project structure. We have the design mode, the coding mode and the data. So we have design mode. We can add buttons, text, images and more. And heads are code mode where we'll be doing the coding. So let's create a project. So in design mode, let's drag and drop UI elements. So let's add a button, maybe something like click me. So you can do this. And we also have theme here, so you can choose which theme you want. I like the glow in the dark. So from here, we have its properties and events. So that when the click me button would be clicked, then the text will change. So let's try it. First, we have to drag and drop the on event block. Now, as I told you, every UI element has an ID. So let's choose its ID. So the button's ID is click me. So we will choose it. So when the button is clicked, we have to set the text to. Let's set the text to the button is clicked. Let's run it. So I got an exciting idea. Let's also edit the screen background. We can edit the screen's background color. So let's do it. For this, we would need the on event and the set property form. Remember to choose the screen's ID. Okay, and her background color. I think it would be nice if it is white. Let's see. Click me. The button is clicked. So this is only a basic fundamental of coding. We'll go on with more things. This is Arham Jain signing off. So bye.